If you're new to this channel, here's the deal. I spent an entire year trying to figure out how to produce music within FL Studio. I watched 1,000,001 random videos, tried to figure out how to use the software, how music production worked, a little bit of music theory, yada, 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 and I came up pretty dry. But I made sure to always take notes and take account of exactly what I was learning and what my questions were and what I had to figure out. Well, now, at this point, I've got a very strong grasp of FL Studio, and I decided, it would probably be beneficial if I put those notes out into the world for people who were like me, who wanted to learn how to use it properly but didn't think they could get the traction. So a lot of the videos that were already out there had the same sorts of problems. They either cost money, which I didn't want to spend. They were non-sequential, so I would learn a beginner's video on Monday, and then on Tuesday, the next video would have words in it I'd never heard of, like compression or sidechaining. Or 3, the videos would be so long and drawn out that I didn't have the time to watch all of them, and I got bored, and so I'd go and look for something that explained the concepts better. That's why I made Mirium Music. The idea of this channel is you can watch one video a day, always under 15 minutes, and within 3 weeks, you will be a competent FL Studio user, and you'll understand the basics of music production. I'm hoping to add a lot more to this channel in the next few days, weeks, months, however long. But for now, the whole purpose of it is to help new people to FL Studio understand how to use the software and what music production is. So scroll on down, check out the videos, and yeah, that's about it. This is Mirium Music, signing off.